We do a lot of spacers. We just do the ITAP prosthesis, which I will show a small video of a dog. Real guys. And this is the first case, I think, of the world. This is from the BBC and NBC News. It was a sea turtle was injured from maxilla and mandibula, and Bitec company has made the first implant, titanium 3D printed implant for it. And after just 5 years, we just built a new company, which is called Vimix. And our partners are Hasvet, Bitec, TraumaVet, and TrapTech. These mother companies, and this is just a sister company for TraumaVet. We are just doing the CNC machining and additive manufacturing together. But what we do is not only having the software and just a printer and then the print. We have a really big experience because our team has 35 engineers working inside the company, and they have a huge experience from human side. And it's not only a software and a production. We are deep in developing new technologies, new processes, and new alloys, and new applications for veterinary use, especially testing and developing new alloys, which we can easily clean, which we can easy to print and cost effective. We also do optimizing about these new alloys, because innovative alloys in veterinary applications will change quite a little bit the game. We are testing strategic new alloys for veterinary application using additive manufacturing. Unlike the medical sector, the veterinary market offers faster opportunities, allowing innovative materials to be adapted more quickly, as Matovic has told. But I'm just talking about the fast period because we are just conducting extensive research on materials of medical applications,